How to create Instagram account on Windows. Open any web browser of your choice. Click on the search bar. Type in instagram.com. Press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Instagram. In order to create the account, what you have to do is click on this option, create new account, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to get started on Instagram. Enter the mobile number or email with which you would like to create the account for yourself. Click on the field of password and create a password for yourself. Make sure to create a very strong password. Select the birthday. First of all, select the month. Select the day. Now select the year over here. Once you do that, enter your name. Click on the field of name and enter your name over here. You can enter the username. A username will already be selected for you by default. You can erase it and enter the new username if you want. Click on the option submit that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to enter the confirmation code sent to your email. Go to new tab. Click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Press enter. Now once the Gmail is opened, you should be able to see the email from Instagram. Maybe there is some technical glitch right now, that's why I'm not being able to receive the email. But in that email, you'll be able to find the verification code. Enter the confirmation code over here. Once you do that, click on the option continue. Follow through the prompts. After you do that, your Instagram account will be created. Like this, you can create an Instagram account on Windows. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.